It was discovered that in every language, about 500 to 1,500 words are used daily in normal conversations. A newspaper uses an average of 600 words daily in active writing. Now, this section we are about to enter into is going to be about the Tyap language vocabularies, or what you call Tyap in Tyap language. Vocabulary. Tyap is singular. Tyap is plural. Tyap vocabulary. Tyap vocabularies. Tyap language consists of 7 to 8 varieties, including Tyap, Tyap, Phantom, Gwarok, Sholyo, Takad, Tuku, and Techarak, and Ju also seems to be a variety of Tyap, although it is listed as a separate language. We shall, however, limit our studies to the Tyap, Tyap dialect, which itself consists of a number of sub-dialects, like the variety spoken around the Makomorum and around Kanai and around Oshongashui and around Zonzon. So these different regions of Tyap have their sub varieties of the Tyap, Tyap dialect. This very variety is what I choose to call the Central Tyap, or what Sikemik in 1928 referred to as Tyap proper. Hopefully, in the near future, a standard Tyap would develop from the 7 to 8 dialects with constant interdialectical conversations and language development.